Hi, continuing our science lesson of class 6th of the curiosity book. I have few observations to make. Firstly, I can see that many people are not completing the course or the study material. And what is the thing is, I am getting response that if we go in this space, when will we finish? When will we? Are we be able to give UPSC 2025? Now, I want to say this. Firstly, this is something to help you start with your preparation and boost your preparation. Hence, initially I have kept it in a very mild manner, assuming that you have also starting about your preparation. If you are not aware about preparation, you have to take the one-on-one counseling with the mentor, either me or anybody available, and make yourself mentally ready for the preparation. So do that. Take actions. Take actions. Just dreaming will not help. Secondly, these chapters which I am going through currently in science section, these are fundamental basic chapters for building the foundation in science for a class 6th student, class 6th level student. Please recall you are now at a graduation level and you would not be taking so much of time. So if today we are spending here time in one email is gone with class 6, you're supposed to spend 2 3 hours more studying, adding on many other things, doing previous year question or analyzing syllabus and all that, which is a continuous activity. Now coming to the chapter, all the science chapter will be very short and crisp. There will be science lectures and current affair lectures which will be different from this program, not right now. That will be only dedicated to revising or revisioning of the concept. Here we are trying to learn what is there in the books of NCERT and NIOS. Without touching these base, we are not, I am at least not going proceeding ahead. While you can do that, you can have doubt about it. But I am assuming the person who is, for me, I am teaching a person who is given his class 6 is not unable to recall things, and I'm trying to help him or her revise up to that and then up him to the UPSC level. Our goal is to be in the list of UPSC. It is not just clearing the cracking one prelims or one question or one concept. So we have to prepare in that matter. Now coming to the question. My first request, please do the MCQs first. The chapter which is there is written in very, you know, child story level kind of a storytelling kind of a scenario. The chapter's name is Methods of Separation in Everyday Life. It's a part of science, mixtures, and how do we separate things, what is the process of separation. The chapter gives a terminology names, what is called hand picking, what is a mixture, and then it talks about how in agriculture separating grains from the stalks is called as threshing, what is the process. Then it talks about ways of how husk is separated from the grains, winnowing. Many of you would be understanding this terminology as an English maybe first time, but all of you must be, all of us are from India, and we might have a village root or village connection. I would have seen in movies also. This is how it happens. So here the explanation is about then how they sieving in kitchen using the flour, how they separate the mixture, then how salt is obtained from seawater evaporation, then the focus is also on how various Ayurvedic medicines are prepared or things are prepared at home, like tea, what is sedimentation and decantation. So these terminologies are basic. Separating tea leaves from tea is called filtration, using a filter paper or a filter. So this has been introduced in this chapter, and various types of separation techniques have been named. Buttermilk from milk, buttermilk is from curd, churning, and then using magnet, getting iron, magnetic separation. So here, lot of such examples are there. You have to just run through this and see that every terminology which they mention over here, you are aware about it. So that is what is the chapter is about. Your fundamentals are very, very solid when it comes to this chapter. So please do the MCQ and your chapter is over.